Hey YouTube, this is Yuki Geek here. I'm one of the new owners of this channel. I'm Darian. Other than Joe, I'm bringing you a deck profile on my deck. I'm running windups right now. Yesterday I went to locals. I didn't really do so good because of all of the mirror matches that I had yesterday, which brought me down like really bad. Like it was a 16-person tournament with 4 rounds, and I lost first and second. So just leave any comments below and see what I should do to change it or something. I don't know. So here we go. We got 3 shark, standard, pretty much. 3 magician, also standard. 3 rat, 3 rabbit, 2 Thunder Kings, 2 tour guides, and 1 singing. That's it for the monsters, pretty much. And now for the spells and traps. I have 3 wind-up factories, 3 mystical space typhoons, and 1 dark hole, 1 monster reborn, 1 heavy, 1 pot of avarice, and 1 book of moon. Pretty much right now it's just standard right now. So yeah. So for the traps, I got 2 dimensional prisons, 2 tarantulas, 2 bottomless trap holes, and the Solemn Brigade, pretty much. 1 Call of the Haunted. Now I use Call of the Haunted to like get like rat out if I don't have any more in deck, so I can switch him and get like shark out from grave or something, and just exceed XYZ summon stuff with it. So yeah. And I got 1 Mirror Force and Compulse. 1 Compulse. So that's it for the main deck. Now on to the extra. I got 1 Giga Brilliant, 1 Tyrus, 1 Tempo. I use this to pretty much just get over like Zen Minx when he has like all of his XYZ materials on him. And yeah. Zen Minx, Maestroke, Zen Mighty, Levier, Acid Golem, don't even know how to pronounce his name. Yeah, I'm kinda stooped on it. 1 Stardust. Yeah, I don't run Starlight in my main deck, but I side it out for like stuff people who side like needle ceilings and stuff, or like stuff that can pretty much just wreck me, like Heavy Storm and stuff. I just side in Starlight Road and just activate and get Stardust out, and I have a 2500 beater on the field. And then I got Zenmeister. I use that pretty much he's pretty much just 2500 beat stick pretty much when he has all of his XYZ materials on him. And like I use his effect to flip one of my monsters down, and then I can get, like, if I have Magician on field, I can get his effect, and then search out for, like, a shark or something, and then I can just get out more. So, yeah. One Leviathan Dragon. One Utopia. One Adrius. And one Shockmaster. And that's it for the extra. Now for the side. Pretty much it's 2 Dimensional Fissures, 1 Starlight Road, then I got 2 Dust Tornadoes, 1 Gemini Imp, just in case of that Dark World matchup. Just pretty much just drop that to the grave, keep drawing. Veilers, 2 of them. 1 Snowman, because like of its high defense. So like if I'm up against like heroes or something, like you just set it and then it flips and then it's 19 and they try to hit with Stratos and then you get to destroy it. Yeah, it works. And 1 Spirit Reaper, just to stall out pretty much. Just like in case I'm like stuck in like a sticky situation or something. 1 Kinetic Soldier, just for like those like the heroes again, just for that, and like 6 Sams and stuff. And 2 Shadow Imprisoning Mirrors, still that Inzektor matchup, really bad, like it's super bad against me, so yeah, I side in those. And 2 Needle Ceilings. And that's it for this deck profile. And yeah, subscribe, leave comments below, and thank you.